Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by gathering ingredients and preparing the duck. Use 1 whole duck or 3 to 4 pounds of carcass and roughly 8 cups of cold water to start. Add 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 onion quartered, 3 garlic cloves smashed, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns for balanced seasoning. Trim excess fat from the carcass, and for a richer broth, roast bones and skin at 425 degrees F for 20 minutes. Place the prepared carcass and vegetables in a large stock pot and cover with cold water until about 1 inch above bones, usually near 8 cups. Bring to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Skim off foam with a ladle until clear, then reduce to a barely bubbling simmer and maintain for 3 to 4 hours to extract collagen and flavor. For better mineral extraction, add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar at the start. Do not boil vigorously, because rolling boils emulsify fat and cloud the broth. When your simmer time is complete, remove large solids and strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean pot to achieve clarity. Cool the broth quickly by placing the pot in an ice bath until it reaches under 40 degrees F within 2 hours. Refrigerate for up to 4 days, or freeze in 2-cup portions for up to 3 months. Once chilled, you can scoop off congealed fat to make a leaner stock. Use duck broth as a base for soups, risottos, braises, and sauces.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.